Hello, welcome to SOTA. My name is Leslie Punt.
And I'm Russ Torlage.
Together, we're the founders of SOTA Instruments. We created this video to help you quickly learn how to use the Silver Pulsar light and how to easily incorporate it into your life.
Well, let's get started. The Silver Pulsar Lite is an economy version of the Silver Pulsar. It's a 2-in-1 unit. It does the micropulsing as well as making ionic colloidal silver. The micropulsing accessories come with the unit, where the silver accessories are sold separately. Our signature unit, the Silver Pulsar, has more features, but it comes with all the accessories for doing the micropulsing as well as making the ionic colloidal silver. Micropulsing introduces gentle microcurrents of electricity for greater energy and overall well-being. Remember to read the product manual, or better yet, go to the SOTA website to read the most current version. When micropulsing, accurate placement of the probes is important. Before getting started, take a minute to locate the pulse points on your wrist. Use 2 fingers to locate the pulse on the thumb side of your wrist. This pulse is strong and easy to find. The pulse point on the little finger side of your wrist is more difficult to find. Bend your wrist slightly towards you, and using the same 2 fingers, feel for the pulse. If you can't feel the pulse, drink a large glass of water, wait 5 minutes and try again. If you still can't feel the pulse, then place as demonstrated. For micropulsing, you'll need 2 rubber probes, the micropulsing cord, 2 sponge sleeves, the wrist strap, and a 9-volt alkaline battery. First, place a 9-volt battery in the unit. Attach the 2 rubber probes to the metal pins on the end of the micropulsing cord. Wet the 2 sponge sleeves under a tap and squeeze out the excess water so they are moist but not dripping wet. Insert the rubber probes into the sponge sleeves. You may need to twist the rubber probes so they easily slip into the holes of the sponge sleeves. Lay the wrist strap flat with a fuzzy side up. Place the sponge sleeves on the wrist strap. The sponge sleeves should be about a thumb width apart from each other. Place your wrist on top of the sponge sleeves and secure the wrist strap snugly, but not too tight. Now, align the sponge sleeves over the pulse points on the wrist. If the wrist strap is too long, it can be cut to size. Next, plug the micropulsing cord into the Silver Pulsar Lite unit. Turn the unit on and gently increase the intensity to where you feel it and it is comfortable. The green light will be on and the yellow light should be flashing. Slip the unit into a pocket or place it beside you where you sit. If the sponge sleeves start to dry out, use a dropper bottle to re-moisten them with water. From time to time, you may need to adjust the intensity to where you feel it and it is comfortable. When you begin micropulsing, we suggest starting slow, with just 10 minutes a day for the first 3 to 4 days. Then increase by 20 minutes for another 3 to 4 days. Repeat the cycle, adding 20 minutes every 3 to 4 days until you reach 2 hours. We suggest following this program for 6 to 12 months. Remember to stay well hydrated by drinking lots of fresh water. Even better, you can drink ozonated water produced by the SOTA Water Ozonator. Keep in mind, if you feel it is too much, you can reduce the time for a few days and then resume increasing gradually to the minimum of 2 hours a day. The Silver Pulsar Lite can be worn at any time, while working, cooking, out walking the dog, or even grocery shopping. The key is to leave it out where you will see it. If you plan to use it at work, leave it on your desk. If you want to use it in the morning while getting ready, leave it on the bathroom counter. Setting an alarm on your phone to remind you is a great idea.
We hope this video helps you get started with the Silver Pulsar Lite.
Remember, consistency is the key. Placing your Silver Pulsar Lite where you can see it will help to remind you to use it. And thank you for watching.